So if you want to create an online course and you've never done it before, how qualified do you actually need to be? What you really need to do are these three things. The first one is you need to identify a group of people who actually want to learn something. So this is simple. You're creating a course, you're going to teach something. So you need to find people that want to learn something. It's all online. People are asking questions everywhere in comments, in reviews. Go online and ask, that AI thing, go ask it, hey, what is something people want to learn about? What is something people want to learn in this industry? If I was going to create a course, what is something that I could do it over that people would actually want to learn about and that is available in the market to even teach and create? The next thing is you can either learn the skill set yourself or partner with someone who knows. So if you don't know it yourself, then you'll need to learn it so that you can teach it. Or you can partner with somebody who already knows it, give them a cut of the profits of the course, and then you'll become an expert as you go. Or you don't have to do it that way either. You can just partner. There's that dude out there that everybody kind of talks about, Andrew Tate. Yeah, he's got like a couple 100,000 people paying him $49 a month, and guess what? He's hardly even in the course. He's got all these other people that are really good at something, and they're in the course teaching it. Pretty easy, pretty simple. As long as everybody's happy, it's working. And then finally, build a course outlining how to learn it faster and easier. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't got to come up with something brand new. Teach somebody how to do something faster or make it easier, make it more fun, make it better. Everything out there is not perfect. Matter of fact, nothing is perfect. If you can teach somebody how to do something faster, easier, more fun, that's really valuable. Think about that. And then also do this here too. Comment the type of course that you want to sell and why you want to sell that course.